Take fresh page, everyone. Chapter 3, factorization. Chapter 3, factorization. There are two spelling are there, FACTORIZATION and SATION. Both are right, okay? Take fresh page on the top key heading. Chapter 3, factorization. Yeah, listen carefully, student. All students stop writing. Firstly, I am going to explain what is the meaning of factor, what is the difference between factor and prime factor. Listen carefully, students. What is the meaning of factor? Suppose I am asking, what is the factor of 6? If question I'm asking, what is the factor of 6? Then I want to check 6 is coming in which table? 6 is coming 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, and 6 table. Next, if I am asking what is the prime factor of 6, listen carefully, both words are different. What is the meaning of factor? What is the meaning of prime factor? What is the difference between factor and prime factor? If I am talking about factor, I want to check that number is coming in which table. Now 6 is coming 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, and 6 table. Then what is the meaning of prime factor? I want to find out prime factor of 6. I will check 1 into 2 into 3. Now students, you are observing here, what is the difference between factor and prime factor? Factor ends with own number. Factor ends with own number, but prime factor will never end with own number. Are you understanding, students? What is the difference between factor and prime factor? Factor ends with original number, but prime factor will not end with original number. Understood, everyone? If anyone is asking what is the difference between factor and prime factor, you can say answer factor ends with same number, but prime factor will never end with same number. Now left side keep heading factor. Factors are the numbers. Left side keep heading, everyone. Factors. Factors are the numbers. Factors are the numbers. Factors are the numbers. We multiply together to get another number. We multiply together to get another number. Example, suppose I want to write 6. 6 I can write here. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. What is 2? What is 3 here? 2 and 3 both are factors. 2 and 3 both are factors. Both are factors. Example second, find the factor of find the factor of find the factor of 18. Find the factor of 18. Now I want to check 18 is coming in which table. Solution. Factor of 18 is equal to factor of 18 is equal to 18 will come one table, two table, three table, next four table will not come, five table, six table, yes, next nine table and 18. Now you are observing students here, factor is ending with original number. Example 3, find the factor of find the factor of find the factor of 28. Now I want to check 28 is coming in which table. Solution. Factor of 28 is equal to one table, two table, it will come three table, no, four table, yes, five, no, six, no, seven, yes, next 14 and 28. I hope students you got it, how to find factor. Next key heading, prime factorization. Prime factorization. Prime factorization is finding prime factorization is finding which prime numbers which prime numbers multiply together to make the original number. To make the original number. What is prime factorization? Prime factorization is finding which prime numbers multiply together to make the original numbers. Example, find the prime factor of 24. Example first, Find the prime factor of 24. Now all students stop writing, concentrate here. I want to find out prime factor of 24. Listen carefully everyone, stop writing. Yeah. I want to find out prime factor of 24. Some students are very smart. What they will do? Directly they will divide by 6. 6 for the 24 or 4. This is 6 and 4. Both are not prime factor. Don't try it. Listen carefully. Some students are very smart. What they will do? Firstly, they will divide by 6. 6 for the 24 and 4 1 the 4. They will say 6 and 4 is the prime factor. 6 and 4 both are not prime number. If I want to find out prime factor, make sure the divisors are all prime number. Make sure the divisors are all prime numbers. Now, so you are observing here, if you are dividing by 6 and 4, 6 and 4 both are composite number. What is composite number? The number which have more than 2 factors is called composite number. What is prime number? Prime number are those numbers which have exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself. But 24, 6 and 4 is not a prime number. Then how to do? Always keep in mind, students, when you are finding prime factor of any digit, make sure the divisors are all prime numbers. Now I want to divide 24 by least number. Firstly, I want to divide by 2. Always keep in mind, always you will divide by least number. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 six are 12, 2 threes are 6, and 3. Now, prime factor of 24 is equal to prime factor of 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times into 3. Now, students, you are observing here, each and every digit is prime number. Always keep in mind, so when you are finding prime factor, make sure the divisors are all prime numbers. Example second, find the prime factor of find the prime factor of find the prime factor of 125. Again, everyone know how to find prime factor of 125 by using which concept? LCM concept. What is LCM? Least common multiple. We want to divide by least number. 125. 125 is not divisible by 2. Why? Because once the digit is coming 5. We want to check this number divisible by 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. Not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 4. It is divisible by 5. What is divisibility rule of 5? If once a place digit is coming 0 or 5, then we can say that number is divisible by 5. 5 2 is a 10. 5 5 is a 25. 5 5 is a 25. 5 1 is a 5. Now I can write here prime factor of 125 is equal to prime factor of 125 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5. You are observing, students, here 5 is what? Prime number or composite number? Prime number. Next, keep heading everyone. Irreducible factor. Already this concept I have taught in the unit first. Irreducible factor. Irreducible factor. What is the meaning of irreducible factor? Listen carefully. What is the meaning of irreducible factor? If I want to find out irreducible factor, means that product we can't further divide. That product we can't further divide. Means suppose I am writing here 2x square y. If I want to find out irreducible factor, now 2x square I can write here 2 comma x comma x comma y. Now 2 comma x comma x comma y we can't further divide. This is called irreducible factor. If I am writing here 10xy square, I want to say this product, this term is irreducible factor or not? This term is not irreducible factor because we can further divide. 10 I can write 2 comma 5 x comma y comma y. Now this 2 comma 5 comma x comma y is we can't divide further. What is the meaning of irreducible factor? An irreducible factor is a factor which cannot be expressed further as a product of factors. Note down definition. An irreducible factor is a factor an irreducible factor is a factor. His name is only given irreducible. Irreducible. We can't further divide. An irreducible factor is a factor which cannot be expressed which cannot be expressed which cannot be expressed further as a product of factors. Example, first example I am writing here x y cube z. I want to find out irreducible factor. Very easy. Irreducible factor is equal to first I can write x is 1, very good. Y is 3 means y I can write separate y comma y comma y comma z. This is called irreducible factor. Now this product we can't further divide. I hope students are you getting my point? How to find irreducible factor? Find irreducible factor of find irreducible factor of example second. Find irreducible factor of 3x cube into x plus y. Tell me answer, student. I want to find out irreducible factor of 3x cube x plus y. Irreducible factor is equal to what is first? 3 comma x how many times? 3 times. And some students what they will do? They will divide x comma y. No, that is one expression. X plus y will be one term. We can't further divide x plus y because both are unlike terms. Yeah. Example 3. Find the irreducible factor of Tarnika, start writing. Find irreducible factor of 10x y cube. Note down answer, student. Find out irreducible factor of 10x y cube. Now 10 I can write here 2 comma 5 comma x comma y comma y comma y. Irreducible factor is equal to irreducible factor is equal to 2 comma 5 comma x y. How many times are there? 3 times. I hope students you got it how to find irreducible factor. Yeah. Now keep heading everyone. HCF of expressions. HCF of expressions. How to find HCF if they have given expression? HCF of expressions. Listen carefully, everyone. Firstly, I want to explain what is the meaning of HCF, highest common factor. Firstly, I want to find out factor. After that, common factor. After that, I want to check highest common factor. Suppose one example I am writing, student, listen carefully, everyone. Suppose I am writing here 12x y square. Second is 10x square y square. Listen carefully, students. I want to find out HCF. What is the full form of HCF? Highest common factor. Firstly, I want to write factor of these two terms. First term is 2 into 3 into x into y into y. What is the meaning? First, highest common factor. Firstly, I have done factor of given term. Don't write, listen carefully. 2 into 5 into x into x into y into y. Firstly, I have done factor. Next, I want to write down here common factor. I want to write down here common factor. Which factor is common? This 2 is common. Next, this x is common. Next, this 2y is common. This 1y is common. Second y is common. First, I have solved factor, then common factor. Then I want to find out highest common factor is nothing but HCF. HCF is equal to 2 into x into y is equal to 2x y square. This is HCF. This is HCF. Firstly, what we have done? We have done factor of that term. After factor, I have checked which term is common. After that, I have multiplied all common factor. That is called highest common factor. What is the actual meaning of HCF? HCF is the highest number that divides a group of given numbers. HCF is the highest number that divides a group of given numbers. Now, one actual concept I am going to give to students. Listen carefully how to find HCF if they have given fraction, if they have given terms. Yeah, listen carefully, everyone. Yes. If they have given terms, they're asking find the HCF of given terms. Listen carefully, everyone. 20 x cube y square comma 15 x square y raised to the power of 4. Listen carefully. Don't try. Listen carefully, everyone here. I want to find out HCF of this given terms. Firstly, I want to check 20 and 15 is coming in which table? 20 and 15 is coming which table? 5 table. I have taken 5 common. After that, I want to check, listen my word very carefully. Firstly, I want to check this both number is coming in which table? Both digit is coming in 5 table. After that, listen my word very carefully. After that, I want to check least degree of the variables. I want to take common least degree of the variables. First variable is x. First x degree is 3. Second x degree is 2. I told to you students, least degree of the variables. First variable is x. Least degree is what? X square. Next, least degree of the variables. Y square is there, y power 4 is there. What is the least degree? Y square. This is nothing but highest common factor. This is nothing but highest common factor. How to find HCF? Firstly, I want to check both number is coming in which table? Both digit is coming in 5 table. After that, I want to check least degree of the variable. I want to take common. First variable is x, second variable is y. I want to take common. Least degree of the variable is x. X cube is there, x square. I have taken x square common. Next, least degree of the variable y. Y square, y power 4 is there. I want to take y square common. This is called HCF, highest common factor. Note down. HCF is the highest number. HCF is the highest number. HCF is the highest number HCF is the highest number that divides a group of given number, that divides a group of that divides that divides a group of given numbers. Example first. Find HCF of find HCF of 4RD cube and 12 R square D. Solution. Now tell me, student, what is the HCF of this given terms? Firstly, he has given here 4RD cube. First question I was learning very clearly. After that, we'll write direct answer. 4RD, I will write 2 into 2 into R. D how many times? 3 times. Next, 12RD, 12R square D. 12R square D. 12 means 2 into 2 into 3. Or how many times? 2 times. D how many times? 1 times. Now I want to find out HCF. HCF is nothing but highest common factor. I want to check which term is common in both. First 2 is common. Second 2 is common. Next, this 1R is common. And 1D is common. What is answer? 2 into 2 into R, 2 into 2 into R into D. Answer is 4RD. I have given clear explanation how to find HCF. If student listen carefully, if I want to give direct answer, then how to give answer directly? First term is 4RD cube. Second term is 12R square D. How directly I will give answer? Firstly, I want to check 4 and 12 is coming in which table? 4 and 12 is coming in which table? 4 and 12 is coming in which table? 4 and 12 is coming 4 table. After that, least degree of variable. R square is there, R is there means R common. Least degree of variable D. D cube is there, D is there. What is the answer? 4RD is the HCF. Directly we can say answer. Example second, find the HCF of find the HCF of 4x square y and 12 x power 4 y square. First term he has given 4x square y, and second term is what? 12x power 4 y square. I want to find out his CF. Firstly, I want to check 4 and 12 is coming with table, 4 table. Least degree of the variable x and y I want to take. X square is there. First is x square. Second is x power 4. Least degree of the variable I have taken common.